Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be starting hopefully the first of many in a semi-short series of coding videos. Today I'd like to start just with some basics. How does one write a C++ program? Or rather, how do you set everything up? As you can see, I have a basic program, not even close to doing really anything, just the basic wrapper lines and whatnot. So how do you set up a C++ program? First, what I did, and you might have some different intro steps, but I downloaded a program called Cygwin. You can find some tutorials online for that. And then I've downloaded Visual Studio Code. Microsoft has Visual Studio in the App Store. There's another app similar to Visual Studio Code, but the icon you want is a blue icon, and it's just called Visual Studio Code. So once you have those downloaded, set up your files, your directory system, and you're good to go. So now you're at this point, and how do you create a new file, a new C++ program? Well, it's simple. Up at the top, you select File, and you can select either New Text File or New File, and Visual Studio Code will ask you what language you want to use. I could type something in here, it'll try and figure out what it is, but I can also click where it says Select a Language, click C++, and now as you can see, this icon has turned to the blue C++ icon. It now recognizes that you are using C++ as your language. So that's that for this first video. Thank you. Stick around. I hope to be releasing some new videos shortly, answering some basic programming needs and just looking at some cool programming techniques I picked up over the past year. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.